Hi guys. Please welcome to my channel. Welcome to my channel. Like I'm really mad right now. I'm going crazy. What do we call this? I used my washing machine to wash my clothes. And well, see the outcome. Jesus Christ, who did I offend? See clothes where I carry from Nigeria come this country. I just saw a little stain on it. I said, my washing machine, I know they stress myself. And so I carry this clothes to put for washing machine. I go carry light clothes to put for washing machine. See the outcome. See clothes as I go rock for this summer. Can you imagine? Can you imagine? One of my favorites. Just take a look at this washing machine. Don't even pity me. Jesus Christ. Hey, like what the hell? Can you imagine? Just take a look at. Have you ever had such experience like this? Have you encountered such a thing before? In my mind, though, I said, let me wash it and get ready. I'm gonna rock this clothes this summer. Say no more putting on 5 jackets or winter coats. It's not even winter. I'm wearing. I'm coughing my hair, coughing up parts of my body. I said this summer I'll rock this. I'll rock this clothes and so many others that I came with. Jesus, I can't believe this. What kind of thing is this? Guys, I'm so sad right now. I'm so sad. What punishment will I give this my washing machine? What kind of you really deserve a punishment? What will I do to you right now? What should I do to my washing machine? Jesus, I'm going so crazy right now. I'm so angry. I feel like Jesus. Just take a look at my clothes. See my clothes. See my clothes. Just take a look at my clothes. Just take a look at. What kind of nonsense is this? Jesus. Just look at. Look at. See my clothes. See my jumpsuits. If you know me very well, you know that I like so much love jumpsuit. This is one of my favorites. Just take a look at. Just see. See my jumpsuit. Just take a look at. Stop it. As in, it's stop it beyond recognition. Like, Jesus Christ. God, I'm so mad. See the washing machine. You're even here looking at me. I'm so mad at you. I feel like, what should I do to this washing machine? Just tell me what to do to this washing machine. I don't just understand. Just see the washing machine. This BEKO has dealt with me. You finished me. Eh? Do I really deserve this? Shit. Let me go find your trouble, Sha. Let me go find your trouble. Oh, jeez. Can you imagine? You just finished me. Look at. Eh? If you just do anyhow, God. It's well, oh. It's well. No wahala. Make I go mend my clothes. And to just hang this clothes here to stay here throughout today. Anyway, let me pity you, Sha. It's one of those things. Let me pity you. Let me pity you. Thank you very much. You've done well. Thank you.